Then the same voice heard only by me from the depths of my soul, and this is what it said. I laid myself down within you to sleep, and as I slept, I dreamed a dream. I dreamed ... And then I knew the completed sentence, and I became so excited, so emotionally moved that I didn't wait for the completed words. I knew he is dreaming that he's me. At that moment, I experienced a memory of the crucifixion, for I was on the outside of this enormous crowd, and then I was sucked into this body. This became a vortex. This became a vortex, my head a vortex, my right side a vortex, and my 2 feet, the soles of my feet, were vortices. Here were these 6 vortices nailed to this cross. This is the cross, by the way. We are the cross. And I knew this was the crucifixion. And may I tell you, the crucifixion, far from being a sad event, it is sheer ecstasy. I can't put it into words, the thrill that was mine that night when I experienced the crucifixion! Exclamation point.